viewers. Well, oh no, hello Teddy. You're in the shot, mate. So I think the hide now is about had it. So if we have a look at the tread, I think I'm going to use that as my spare. Get out of the way, Ted. Out of the way, Teddy. Yeah, good boy. Out of the way. Yeah. So there's a little bit left, but I think that'll pass as a spare, so I'm going to swap it with the new spare. So 5,570.
Okay, good morning viewers.
Good morning, viewers.
We are heading up the mountains for morning tea, coffee. Oh, there's the rivers up. There's been a lot of rain. This is our first chance to get away on a sunny day. So
yes, nice to see the sun.
We're hoping it doesn't rain on us. But we've had perfect sunny morning so far. And we're heading up the mountains, up to Springwood maybe. We'll see where we end up. Or later.
Good morning.
Some video of the scenery, the gold tree, and the Ural.
Okay.
Well viewers, we've had a nice morning tea in Springwood, and now we're heading to, well, we're going to try and get to Yellow Rock Lookout. No idea where that is, but
yeah,
we'll see what happens.
Lovely and green.
Nice and green, I think. Well, there's clouds about, but I don't think it's going to rain. We'll find out. Everybody's out on their bikes and walking their dogs.
Yeah,
Beagle.
it's
Old
lovely
beagle.
up here.
Yeah, nice and green.
Lots of beautiful old houses.
Yeah, avoiding the potholes. All the rain has created a lot of potholes.
Few of them.
Okay, more later when we get closer. So we're on our way out to the lookout, and it looks like it's just rained here or something. It's very wet.
It's a beautiful road.
Beautiful road. Yeah. Nice houses out here too.
I just saw a cobweb we drove through.
Oh, right. Oh, looks like this is it. Like it. They must have chipped it in deep. So checking out the gaskets to see if they are working. Doesn't appear to be any leaks, so thanks to Lee from the Ural Australia Forum for getting those gaskets in for us. I think it seems to be working okay. And this one, yeah, it looks alright. And the new back tyre, whereas the spare is here. That's the old back tyre, 5,750 Ks on it. And the spare is now the rear. Alright, there we go. Go. Lennox Bridge. Alright, let's go. Okay, so we're heading home now, viewers. We had a nice brunch up in Springwood out to the lookout, and then we stopped at the oldest stone bridge on mainland Australia, which we never even heard about. So when you're Uraling and you're not in a hurry, you can stop and smell the roses and have a look at these things.
Yeah, it's a beautiful old bridge.
Yeah. So that's it for today. We're heading home. Nice sunny afternoon ahead. So we'll see you next time on the Creaky Rider. Bye for now.
Okay, bye.
Bye for now. Oh.
Oh, yeah. He's speeding.
Yeah.